guys, cheers for tuning in. We're coming at you from the Isle of Wight. So this is our first little clip of the Isle of Wight. We got the bike here and we got a little number here rolled up. So I thought, just because I got a long weekend, I was going to ride my bike around the whole of the Isle of Wight. So we're going to see how that goes. So this is going to be the first clip of that series, and I hope you enjoy the show. Welcome to the Isle of Wight, and stay tuned. We're going to smoke in some very nice locations, hopefully. So far it's been very busy, but I'm sure as we get further out of the town, we'll find some spots. Cheers, boys. Right, we're on the south side of the island now. It's been fucking hilly. As you can see, I'm knackered. Cheers, brethren. Cheers for tuning in. Spot hunting around the Isle of Wight, boys. Here's a good one. Apart from all these fucking trees. Cheers. On the trail with a roach. Yo dude, so I keep rolling a joint and just sparking it up and smoking the whole thing and forgetting to film, but here's the spot that I'm in. Just another hilly location quite near the sea, but fuck me, my legs are tired. Hopefully soon I'm going to film a proper joint smoking session before we set the camera up. But yeah, cheers guys, it's hot out, and hope you're still staying tuned. What a great spot. Here's our little spot. Just had a nice beer on the road, and I thought might as well stop and spark a doob. So we're going to try and do this with a little view. Hope no one comes by. The usual stuff. We're right by a road, so car might come. Hopefully you can just about see the sea and stuff, and yeah, I've just got this little joint rolled up. I've got loads of little blunts, like I take a king and cut them in half and just stuff them with some Girl Scout cookies, and I just have loads of them ready to rock, ready to go whenever I see a bench like this with a viewpoint, you know. I thought, you know, I've come out here, you know, to find some good spots, and I've taken a lot of weed. I've brought a lot of chronic with me, so I might as well fucking make the most of every spot, every bench I find and viewpoint, and try and make a decent video, because I don't really get out on trips like this very often. So yeah, hope you enjoy this spot. We're on the south of the island. I'm fucking enjoying it, man. It is hard work going up hills and getting overtaken by cars and stuff, but it's brilliant just being able to stop whenever you want. And yeah, I'm going to camp out tonight, try and find a place to put a hammock up, maybe try and find a pub to have a few more beers. I've just had one beer, I've had quite a few doobies. If I was smoking a huge doob, I'd be hit by a bus or something. It's about 5 o'clock now, so I'm gonna think about stopping at some point soon. Yeah, this is our first little proper smoke sesh on the Isle of Wight, so cheers for watching if you're watching up to this point. Is anyone who's watching been to the Isle of Wight and smoked a couple of doobies there? Let me know in the comments down below. nice island this, very small, and look, quite a few people on it and busy, but really nice spot for a doobie. So yeah, cheers for tuning in, and let's spark the zoot. Hope everyone out there has got a joint rolled and motherfucker. Yeah, hope, like I say, everyone get your joints rolled and get a beer poured. Gonna have a little viewpoint smoke sesh. And what's cool is this is right by where I'm camping tonight, so well, maybe. What am I talking about? Maybe I've got the hammock already set up. So we've got this nice doobie, some Girl Scout. Pretty sick view. Hope you guys can see that. Some rolling hills. That's looking north. If you got to the top of that hill, you'd see Portsmouth and Southampton. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying the ride along here in the Isle of Wight. This is all new to me as well. All new ground to me. I've picked a good spot, I hope, because well, we've got some nice scenery and pretty bright, pretty quiet, which has been quite hard to find. There's not been many trees, and yeah, like I say, we're near a pub, so maybe you'll see a shot of me in the pub with a beer soon. But it could be very busy because everyone's coming here, man, because you can't get away. But yeah, don't know what else to say other than cheers for tuning in. It's a really cool spot. I'm glad I went on this trip. I'm doing it solo, but I did meet up with a mate who was also doing he's doing the coastal walk by foot, and we met up and had a little biff there. But yeah, have a look. It's really bright, sadly, but so you can't really see the cliffs. Motherfucker. Well, tomorrow we're gonna go and see some more epic scenery. But for now, let's finish the doobie and make a move. Yeah, let me know if you like this kind of content. Outdoor sort of spot hunting missions. I can do this every week. Go to a different place and cruise around and find scenery and benches to tuck joints at. Sadly, you can't really get paid to do that. Yeah, hopefully it's not too cold tonight. It's been nice and warm, so it'll be alright. Hopefully we can sleep in the bag. Yeah, first time I slept in a hammock, so I'll let you know how that goes. So yeah, sort of stoner camping sort of setup. Let me know what you like, and I'll definitely be trying to do some more of this in the future. I think that means it's time for the end of the show, so cheers folks. Hope you enjoyed. Hello guys, I'm just here to show you my camping setup for tonight. It's going to be pretty basic, doing a little wild camp. Got this hammock and a sleeping bag. Luckily found this spot. I've been riding around for ages trying to find some trees. We're kind of on a field here, next to a road that runs just along here, and just through there's the sea. So right now I'm going to walk out, take one other look at the hammock spot. This is where we're going to be camping tonight. Yeah, hopefully some angry farmer doesn't come and get pissed off, but I've got to show you this view we're rocking with. It's pretty good. So yeah, I thought I was going to be a bit screwed for hammock spots because there's not many trees on this island, but there's some cows. But yeah, I kept riding and luckily one showed up. It's about 7:30 now. It's It's already pretty chilly, windy. Not too windy though, but sun's sort of going down. Luckily we're near, just over there is a town, and it's got a pub in it, thankfully, so we're going to try and get a seat and sit at the pub for a nice little beer and probably some chips or something. But yeah, so there's the view basically. Can't see that from the hammock, but right outside the woods that I'm camping in, got some nice hills, and if you come around here you're going to see the sea. It's been a really cool trip so far. Yeah, there we go, check that shit out. All filmed on the iPhone, sorry it's not very good. But yeah, we've got a nice doobie. Let's smoke one up before the pub. Cheers for tuning in. Not a bad evening. Hopefully it's going to stay dry. Cheers for watching day one of the Isle of Wight smoke sessions. Might break it up into 2 videos, I'm not quite sure yet, but yeah, I've just been to the pub. Didn't really film anything because there were loads of people there and I was sat there on my own like a gremlin, eating some chips and drinking some ales. So I'm gonna retire to the hammock tonight and spend the night with the birds and rabbits and fucking badgers, foxes maybe, walking all around me. So I'll let you know how I sleep when we return. First night in a hammock. You know, I've had to down 2 beers at the pub just to send me off, despite having ridden about 30 miles. 30 miles is probably a bit more than that, to be fair. Yeah, 30, around that. It's been a good day, so hope you've enjoyed the show. Cheers, folks. Adios.